Get in the middle with Mr. D1 at blogspot.com with some special teaching tips for Lesson 23, Day 2 of my sight singing program S Cubed, available on Teachers Pay Teachers at Music in the Middle with Mr. D. Now these particular tips are specific to number 3 of Find It, Hold It, Drill It. Now you're going to find 7 examples there and seven different keys, and our goal in this moment, since there isn't a sight singing example today, is to actually teach them how to use this tool. So you want to take them very carefully through the process. So for example, with number 1, I gave them do. You could have them sing the ascending scale to establish tonality, but it's not necessary. It just depends on your class. If they have a difficult time with pitch, you may want to do that, but I wouldn't go through all of the normal procedures. Scale, arpeggio, re, fa, la. It would take quite a bit of time. But what I did was I gave my students the do, I had them sing it back, and then I had them find the first pitch in number 1, and then I had them find the second pitch, and I told them to use the scale and to always start from do to find it. And then I told them to eliminate the note that is between those two and to drill it back and forth, back and forth. And I took them very carefully through that process. And it's chaos. That's their chaos time, and they're not really doing it together. I want them to learn that this is part of chaos now that they need to use. And then after I felt like they had it successfully and everything was going well, I stopped them and I said, okay, I'm going to point to the pitches and you sing. So I pointed to pitch 1 and number 1, and then pitch 2 and number 1 to see if they had accurately gotten the interval. Most of the time they had. You can see in the teaching video, a few kids maybe missed a little, but we're constantly emphasizing the importance of being a smart musician and recognizing when you're not right so that you can listen around you. I even make a joke about stealing the pitch from others when needed, but that's just part of being a smart musician, recognizing that you are not always right and that you must always listen. Listening makes you right more often. And so we did that same procedure with all 7 examples, and I would quickly